How to log out of a Spotify account. Now, if you want to log out of a Spotify account, it's actually quite very simple because you must have been struggling to find the logout button there. Now, do not worry about it because you can always open the Spotify application right here, and this is the interface that you'll be able to see. And once you open this, what you want to do is you can currently see I'm logged in because you can see my profile icon from the top left. So to log out, all I have to simply do is to simply tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. There you'll find the option called settings and privacy at the very bottom. So tap on the gear icon that says that, and once you're here, currently you can see I'm on the free account, but if I want to log out, doesn't matter, just scroll down and here you'll find a white button that says log out in this logout pill. Tap on it, it will ask you for a confirmation, and just like that you'll be logged out of your account. And if you want to log in, you can always go ahead and enter your credentials again, and this way you will be able to log out of a Spotify account. I hope that this video was really helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.